And this is electrostatics, and you can communicate with me on chat also if you want, and you can communicate on mic, but do not leave the mic open, because then it will slightly extra noises coming. Diagram 1 shows two thin uncharged strips of plastics. Diagram 2 shows the same strips after they have been rubbed with a dry cloth. So when you rub something, you know, rubbing produces electric charge. Rubbing produces static charge.
Yeah.
Rubbing produces a static charge. Which row describes the charge on the strips after rubbing and the force between the strips? The diagram is showing the strips are moving away from each other. So this type of moving away shows that there should be repulsion.
Yeah.
Diagram 2. So repulsion. So what happened for repulsion? The charges would be the same or opposite?
Repulsion charges would be same.
For repulsion case, charges should be the same. So what option should I select?
We should select option charge on strips. Charge on strips is the same. Option D.
Yes. So option D is the right option. And now you see if there any if there is any other question from the same year, June 19 or.
Yes, sir. May, June 19, paper 21, question 27. Paper 21, question 27.
But this is the same question. Is it the same question? In your book, is it the same question or different question?
Repeat it again.
Okay. No, these are variant paper, no? So variant papers that move to the next question.
The next one is October, November 2018, paper 22, question 18.
But there is no the 2019. Okay, October, November 2018.
Paper 22, question 27. Yes, this one.
The diagram shows point X between two charged plates. Which diagram shows the electric field pattern near point X? These are parallel plates. These are parallel plates. So when plates are parallel, an electric field is always directed from plus to minus. Electric field is always directed from plus to minus. Field is parallel plates. Field lines are, when plates are parallel, lines are parallel. So you can
Sir, I'm in the class.
Yes, I'm waiting for your answer.
Lines are parallel. Then I guess C.
I have written everything for you. Plus 2. How it can be C, Hamad? C. Do you see the C lines are parallel?
Oh, wait, sorry. The diagram shows point between two charged particles plus to minus. A.
Yes, very good. Okay, now look for another question for me.
Okay, sir. Next question is October-November 2018, paper 21, question 28.
28.
Yes.
The diagram represents two different electric fields. A single electron is located in each of the field. Which row gives the correct direction of the force on the electron and the field in which there is a larger force on it? He is putting an electron. First, let me mark, if you can mark with me, plus and minus. Electric field is always plus to minus.
Okay.
This is the concept I'm writing for you.
Yeah. Close line, stronger field, greater force. Distance line, weaker force.
Yes.
Sir, field 1. And the direction of force is C. So answer
One
is
thing
C.
is clear. One thing is clear that which one of them is going to, no, do not mark the answer quickly. Which one of them is the stronger force?
Field 1.
Field 1 gives you the stronger force. Good. Secondly, now let us put an electron. Let me put an electron. What is the charge of an electron?
Negative. Oh, okay.
Now, can you show me the direction? The arrow force will be upward or downward?
It will be A.
Force, can you tell me the direction of the force? Will it be upward or downward? Right. Why the force is downward?
Because minus to plus.
Minus 2 plus. Now select the answer. Force
A.
is downward.
A.
Can you select one more question?
Okay. So should I type all the question numbers in the chat box?
No. That will actually just keep on going with me because that will take
October, November 2017, paper 22, question 30.
October, November 17. Paper 22.
Yes, question 30. Thirty.
30.
Yes.
Here is the question. Which diagram represents the electric field due to a negatively charged conducting sphere? Do you remember the arrows? Arrows point away from plus. What is the diagram? Let me recall for you. Away from plus, this is the plus, and towards the minus. This is the diagram convention. So this question looks to be easy because you have to select the diagram. C or D doesn't suit here because they are moving charge. This is about current.
Okay.
Ahmad, what's the answer? You suggest A. Please repeat.
So 1 minute. For me, the answer was A.
Good. Why A?
A because the minus in the
The field
sphere is
lines.
minus.
What's the
Sphere is
convention?
the minus, and the lines are also coming in a proper
Good.
direction.
They always mark away from plus and towards minus. Okay, find the next question, Ahmad.
Okay, sir. The next question is October, November 2017, paper 21, question 30.
October, November 17, 21. Question number?
30.
Maybe it's the same question.
No, sir.
No, it's
the
a
paper
this
21
question to be different.
because the paper is 21.
A positively charged rod is held near to but not touching an uncharged metal sphere. The rod is positively charged. This rod is positively charged and it is but not touching. Examiner highlight that it is not touching an uncharged metal sphere. Let me picture it and we can answer it. It's a positively charged rod and it is a sphere. The sphere is uncharged. Can you tell me what will happen on the sphere? Do you think plus minus split over?
Plus minus split over, yes. If a positively charged rod is held near to but not touching an uncharged metal sphere, the sphere is briefly now connected to Earth. The rod is removed. It is charged negatively because the sphere.
So minus and plus split over like this. I'm doing that. Is it right? Minus plus split.
Yes, electrostatic induction.
Electrostatic induction now connected to the earth. The sphere briefly now connected to the earth. Let's connect it to the earth.
Then
When
the positive
earth,
charge will go.
so electron will come from the earth. So the
Yes.
positive section will be neutral.
Yeah.
And then it says the rod is removed. So this is the sphere and the rod is removed. Only minus is left. So do you think minus will spread over the surface of the sphere?
Sir, I'm confused.
Read the question again. First is he has put the
Sir, A is the
sphere
answer.
is briefly now connected to earth. The rod is removed. So what will happen after removing the rod?
After removing the rod, there will be a charge induction, right? Electrostatic induction.
No, induction was there, but now after induction, look, I show you this step again. Just imagine that you have removed the rod. So after removal of the rod, only the minus is left.
Yes.
So what the minus will do, it won't be concentrated at one point. The rod is removed. So the minus will spread over the surface. This is all minus now, because the positive is neutralized. Which option should I select?
Which option? A. Sir, it's A or D. It's no, wait. B.
How it's A? It's charged negatively, right? It is either A or B.
Then
And
my
you can
answer is B.
option is either A or B.
My answer is B.
But do you think, look at the diagram, let me make an arrow for you. Look at this diagram. Do you think positive are going from the earth to the sphere or negative are going from the earth to the sphere?
Negative are going.
Negative are coming from,
Earth to sphere.
negative are coming from the earth to the sphere. Can you please repeat?
Yeah.
Negative are coming from the,
Earth to the sphere.
then how B is there?
A. So what's the answer?
Yes. Now you have reached the right answer.
I said A first.
No, actually, we had to discuss the whole process now. Wild
Oh.
guess is not suitable for you because you have to be confident on your working. You have to do some written working. Okay, can you find
Yeah.
another answer for me?
Question or answer? Uh, May, June 2017, paper 22, question 27.
June 2017, paper 22,
Yes, paper 22.
question number.
27.
A student tests the electrical conduction of four materials: aluminum, iron, plastic, silver, which mean a conduct. This is an easy question. Metals
Yes.
are conductors, non-metals are insulators. Now, this is an open question. Hamad, try it.
Yeah, it's an easy question. So, except plastic, all will conduct.
Plastic is an insulator.
Except plastic, all will conduct.
Right. So what option should I select?
A.
Yes. Any other question, Hamad?
Yes, sir. Next question, May, June 17, paper 22, question 28. The next question after this.
Another question of the same.
Yeah, next question after this.
What is the unit? That's a very easy question, Hamad. That is
Ampere.
charge. No. The unit of charge.
Coulomb.
Ampere is a unit of current. Now you identified correctly. Coulomb is a unit of charge. Ohm is a unit of, can you revise with me, of
Ohm is a unit of
volt. Quickly write with me. I think you have forgotten some of them. Write with me this block.
okay.
It will be a good memory.
Yes, I am writing it.
Have you copied it, Hamad?
Yes, I done.
Good. Now, I think we should do 29 also. It's looking to be the same. An isolated metal sphere is positively charged. It is, do you have this question with you?
Yes, sir. It's the same. Yes, sir. Again, the question is same from the same paper. The next question.
Let's start this question. It is then brought near to another isolated metal sphere that is neutral. The other sphere is neutral. What happens to the charges on the neutral sphere as the positive charge sphere is brought close to it? Is it a case of electrostatic induction? Is it a case of electrostatic induction, Amar?
If the charges are spread, then it's an electrostatic induction.
But they are not touching now, so this will happen. One sphere is charged and other is neutral. So what will happen on the neutral sphere? The positive charge sphere will disrupt the charges. It will minus here. Just copy with me on your book. Look at this. I have made notes for you and you have to now tell me the answer. Remember, positive charges do not move.
Okay. The positive charges do not move, but some negative charges move to the left.
Okay, you're talking about part number D.
Yes.
And what is the concept to remember that positive charges do not move? And what is this theory we have mentioned? What we call this theory?
Electrostatic induction.
Electrostatic induction. Look, this is the benefit if you once learn the theory, do the past paper, learn the theory again, keep on learning and doing the past paper will actually tell you you will be able to see what questions are always coming. Can you look for another question for me?
Another question. May, June 2017, paper 21, question 27.
Question number?
27.
Okay, you try this question. I'm just coming. I have to say namaz and you just do this question. There are two questions, 27 and 28, and I'm just coming.
Okay. So for 27.
The rod becomes positively charged. What has happened to the rod?
The rod becomes positively charged. It has lost electrons.
Very good. Solid answer. Which quantity is measured in coulomb?
Coulomb. Oh wait. Charge.
Okay. Can you look for another question for me?
May, June 2017, paper 23, question 27. It's an easy question. Which material is a conductor of electricity?
Oh. Which material is a conductor of electricity? Huh, that's simple.
Not plastic, not glass. Brass.
Brass is possible. It's a metal. It's a metal alloy.
Brass or wood.
Wood is not. Wood is never a conductor of electricity.
So brass is the only answer.
Yes. The diagrams each show a positive point charge. Which diagram represent the pattern and the direction of the electric field due to the charge? Remember, what is the pattern of the lines?
Pattern of say what?
How we mark the arrows from positive, it's always away from the plus.
A. Answer is A.
Very good, but how you judge it?
Because of the movement of arrows from the positive one. The B one, it should be negative. It's positive, so it's wrong. The B has the arrows of pattern and B is of a negative one.
So the arrows are always pointing away from plus. This is right?
This is right.
Okay, look for another question for me.
October, November 2016, paper 22, question 18. October, November 2016, paper 22, question 18.
On a very cold day, a boy puts one hand on the metal. This is not the 20 question, 18 or 28?
18.
18 can't be the question. 18 is on heat.
It's 18. On a very cold day, a boy puts one hand on the metal handbars.
But this is not electrostatic, I think so.
Okay, sir, we can move on.
Let me check also. Maybe I didn't see the whole question carefully. Let's see the whole question. No, this is not. This is on heat.
Okay, sir, but we can do it.
No, but what's the many for because we haven't done this topic now. Let's look for a new look for another question. Let's hunt down a new question.
October, November 2016, paper 21, question 29.
Paper 20, question number 29. He says a polyethylene rod is rubbed with a cloth. The rod becomes positively charged because of the movement of charged particles. So when, as we discussed before, when something got positively charged, it has lost electrons. Which row gives the name of these charged particles and the direction in which they move? Positive means it has lost electrons.
Okay.
So electrons will be, the rod becomes positively charged. So it means rod is losing electron. And definitely then cloth will be, one is losing, one is gaining. So cloth will be gaining electron. So it means electrons are going from the rod to the cloth. Protons never transfer.
Yeah, protons never move.
Can you help me now? Find it quickly. C and D are not options, only A and B.
It's okay. Everything not is rubbed with a floor. Okay. From floor to rod A.
But look the diagram. I marked red arrow for you. How can you mark it then A? Rod is losing electron. Look at the arrow. Electrons are going
Oh,
from
B,
rod
sorry,
to
B.
cloth.
B.
Yes. Look for another question.
November 2016, paper 23, question 28.
Question number
28.
A student holds a rod in his hand. He rubs the rod with a cloth. The rod gains a positive charge. Positive charge means lost. Positive charge means lost electrons.
Yeah.
So obviously it means the cloth has gained electrons. So how electrons are moving? Rod is losing and cloth is gaining. A very similar question, and it means this is the transfer of electron. Can you check for the answers? Hamad, can you tell me the answer, please?
Correct.
I have marked everything for you. Just give me the answer.
And the rod.
The rod should be, if the rod should be a the electrons are traveling from rod to cloth. So either it is A or C.
C.
This is not there. A or C.
C.
Why C? It should be a metal, no?
Yes, not plastic.
Okay, now can you get another question for me?
Okay, sir, I'm getting. May, June 16, paper 23, question 27. The previous May, June.
June 16.
Paper 23, question number 7.
Question number 17. 27.
27.
Each diagram shows two charged metal plates. Which diagram shows the pattern and direction? Electric field is always from positive to negative. E field
Yes.
is always plus to minus. It means A and B are out of discussion. Look, now this one is C or D. Electric field is always from plus to minus. From plus to minus.
Yeah.
Now answer quickly.
It should be plus to minus, so D.
D. Now, can you look for another question for me quickly?
May June 2013, paper 12, question 28.
June 2016.
14.
14, directly 14. No question from 15.
Yeah.
Anyways, 2014. Paper
12.
12. How you went to 12? What happened to 2? Acha, question number
28.
two balloons X and Y are suspended by insulating thread. They are each held near a negatively charged balloon. The balloon hang as shown. What is the charge on balloon X and what is the charge on balloon Y? These two balloons are going away from each other, which means there is a force of repulsion. They're going away. And they are coming close to each other. So they are showing attraction. And what's the rule? Like charges, Ahmad, like charges repel.
Repel.
And unlike charges
Attract.
So now I have made the notes for you and you have to tell me the answer quickly.
Okay.
So X should be minus. We need repulsion with X. So if I put negative here on X, do you think repulsion is justified? Minus will repel.
Yeah.
If I put a plus here, will it be the attraction? Will attraction be justified?
Balloon X will be negative.
Okay, fine. Quickly, what about Y? I have marked positive there. I need
Uh,
attraction.
Will it be B?
So we have done this part and we are keeping it up to here, and we will inshallah do it in our next class. Allah Hafiz.